Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech. Over today in this video I just want to show how to block or remove ads from your Android device. Sometime you will get from notification bar or from the left side of your Android device. So if you just want to remove them all, what you're going to do, you have to open the setting of your phone. When just open it, scroll all the way down and you will get privacy. Tap to open the privacy, then you go on ads. Now here we got the first option. You're gonna tap on it, tap to open and just confirm it. And the first one, enable delete the advertising, and once you've done these two, you will not get ad anymore here on your Android device, and you can do it daily or weekly every time in your phone to don't get ads. So this is all about how to remove ads from your Android device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Say until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.